What's going on, you guys? So today I'm going to be showing you the before and after of Glassparency and the effect it's going to have on the windshield of my 2018 ZL1. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start it up. I haven't driven it in about 2 weeks now, so it's going to be pretty brutal cold start, I would assume. Yeah, we're going to get going. So we'll do some exhaust clips, and I'll pull it out, and then we'll go ahead and do the application, and then I'll show you the before and the after of how the windshield reacts once it's treated with Glassparency. I'm gonna let it warm up for a bit. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out because that's where we'll be doing some of the work. I'm gonna pull it out a tiny bit so you guys can get a better look at it, and then from there I'll do some exhaust revs for you guys to see what you think, and then we'll go ahead and treat the windshield. So yeah, I'm gonna pull it out and then we'll go from there. I actually decided, so you guys heard the cold start and I pulled it out a little bit. I pulled it back in so we could do it underneath my garage so that we're not getting any particles, or we're minimizing the particles that are falling on the windshield. And then we'll take the car for a drive around the block so you guys can kind of come along with me and experience that, and then I'll do some revs. I just don't really want to piss off my neighbors because they're all out right now, so we'll do it afterwards. But this is the kit. It's called Glassparency. It's a windshield kit, and basically what it does is it serves as like a ceramic coating for your windshield. We actually apply this at my shop at the Custom Auto Lab. We'll go ahead and put it right here. But basically what it does is, and it even tells me right here, it reduces night glare, reduces the frost in the morning. So like when you come out to your car and there's like ice and frost on it, and you have to like get a credit card or a scraper, ice scraper, and remove it. With Glassparency, you can actually just like wipe it off. It doesn't allow it to adhere to the glass. The most popular thing you've probably seen or heard about, if you have heard about Glassparency, is the beating factor. So when it rains, or when you're getting your car washed or something like that, the water is literally just beating off the car. So when I'm driving on the freeway, I have this installed on my Jeep, and so literally I'll put a clip here, but basically the water just flies upwards off the windshield, and I mean, it's not recommended to not use windshield wipers, but you basically don't. I drove from where I live all the way to San Francisco, which is about 45 minutes, and didn't use windshield wipers once. Could I have? Yes, but I wanted to see how well it works so that I know when I'm backing. So yeah. Oh, and the last thing is it reduces glare. So at night when you're driving and someone has headlights that are in your face, a lot of the times, because your windshield isn't completely sealed, so basically the way glass works when you look at it under a microscope is it's very jagged. And so what this does is it helps fill those jagged points so that it's sleek and just very smooth. So because it's jagged, when light goes through it, it kind of disperses it in different places, which causes glare. With this, when it's sealed, it goes directly through, and so it's minimizing the amount of glare you're getting. So yeah, that's kind of what this does. And so without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and apply it, and then we'll do a before and after. So right now what I'll do is I'll pour some water on the windshield so you can see how it reacts with my windshield, and then we'll pour water afterwards once I've already installed it so you can see the difference. Alright guys, so there you have it. Went ahead and showed you the before and after. So honestly, my windshield was very clean, and like I would say about 7 or 8 months ago it was treated, or maybe a couple months ago it was treated with what's it called, Shine Armor, which you guys might have seen the video, and if you haven't, there'll be a link down below or something will pop up here. But basically that was also some form of ceramic coating. It didn't really work as well, and it didn't do a whole lot, but I definitely noticed that there was still some residue on there from that previous install. So behind the scenes, kind of before I showed you guys the before and after, I went ahead and got an ammonia based cleaner, and doused the whole windshield in that to be able to remove any chemicals that were on there, because that's what I've read does the best. And so I made sure to remove any sort of residue, any wax, any ceramic left over from the previous install, and I went ahead and just made sure that was good, so that we would get the best possible before and after. So yeah, I went ahead and did that, and that's when you guys saw the before. And yeah, the water was rolling down, but it wasn't necessarily beating up as well, and it wasn't you noticed in the after video that when I poured it, it just literally just did not even sit on the windshield for a second. It would just bead down and roll down the window instantaneously. I definitely think that Glassparency is an amazing product. They're not paying me to do this or anything. Yes, we install it at our shop, but I wouldn't install anything that I personally didn't back and I personally didn't think was a good product. So I've had it on my Jeep, now I have it on the Camaro, and it's done wonders for me, and I definitely think it's better than Rain X. So later on maybe I'll do a comparison, but for now I just wanted to show you guys how it works, the benefits of it, and how it reacted to my glass. So the last thing we're going to do is we're going to go for a ride in the Camaro just around the block, so you guys can see what if it's windy enough, or if we go fast enough, what the beads will do once the car starts moving. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and just enjoy these next few clips of us driving around the car, which we haven't gotten the chance to do very often. So thank you again. If you liked the video, hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and leave the comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you think there are any products that are better, or let me know if you've had an experience with Glassparency. Again, I really appreciate it, and I hope you guys have a good day. All right guys, so we're here driving the car for the first time in a couple of weeks, and yeah, I just wanted to kind of show you guys some clips of the car, because I haven't been able to do that since doing this YouTube channel too much. So enjoy. Get that?
Yeah, I did.